Hi, I'm Juan. I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina. I've lived here my whole life. And I'm a JavaScript developer. I've been working with web for the last 10 years probably. And I've recently joined Yahoo a year ago. I've been part of the YUI community for a long time. And I was grateful to join the team there. I'm kind of sad to see it go in the last couple of months, but we're working on some new exciting projects as Format.js, as I presented today, and other stuff around ES6 and Node.js applications. Okay, so I'm a pure JavaScript developer. I actually started doing some other stuff like PHP and working with games, but I eventually specialized a lot in JavaScript. I do mostly big front-end applications and Node.js, and I've slowly become some sort of lawyer around specifications, and I'm hoping to get involved with TC39 and all the standards projects around JavaScript. Well, I think we saw a couple of hints at where we're going with the web already, such as in Mr. Doop's presentation. I think we're going to see even more and more integration with JavaScript anywhere. I mean, there was this talk by a guy Scott called The Birth and Death of JavaScript. It was really interesting, in which a guy told the history of JavaScript and the future of it in some sort of a fictional way. But eventually, in this fiction, JavaScript ended up everywhere, even in processors. And I think it's kind of a joke, but we're seeing that JavaScript is kind of permeating everywhere, from hardware to robots to virtual reality. So I think that the web will keep being this thing that connects us all, and at the core of it will be the web platform and things that we're working on today. My talk was about internationalization, and it's one of the core things in the web that you don't think about all the time. You're used to dealing with one or two languages, in our case like Spanish and English, but the web actually reaches people in Africa, in the East, and in Arab, in countries that speak Arab, in countries that speak Chinese or Japanese. And dealing with language could be kind of complicated, so we're working on things that try to simplify it. I'm really happy to be here. It's been one of the things that you think, oh, maybe I could give a talk or not, but I'm really impressed, and I'm really happy to see a really great audience that come here to learn with an open mind. And I think that's something you don't see every day, and I'm really happy to be a part of.